Right guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to fit our shut-off valve to one of our other bottom outlets. So the first thing we're going to do, seal up all these threads with some PTFE tape. We'll start with the big 1-inch thread that's going to go into the tank. Here's also. And again, on the other side of this. Just like that. Nice and tight. Now we've got this plastic piece is going into the other end of the valve. So a little bit of tape. And again on the other side. And into the valve we go. Once that's nice and tight, you can screw in your brass snap-on hose connector onto the end. And then our valve is ready to screw into our tank. And again, just hand tight, it's fine. And away we go.